really look where I'm going next time. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jenna. It has been a while since you've seen this face, and this face probably looks a little bit more tan than it was before because I went to Punta Cana and I got really tanned. Also, just want to share something with you guys. My body's crazy, and look at these tan lines. Like, what? Anyways, today I am partnering up with FabFitFun, and I am showing you guys my spring FabFitFun box. I love the artwork on this box so much. The plants and stuff are the cutest, and just the style of the artwork is amazing, and I love how they change up their boxes every single month. It just makes it a lot more fun and enjoyable to receive this. But I will link down below FabFitFun if you want to go and check that out. They retail for $49.99 a month, but you get over $200 worth of stuff. And this month they actually did say that this is like the most that they've ever put into a box, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I have already looked, and I have actually already tried a few things, so I'm not actually excited to see what's inside. I'm excited to show you guys what's inside is more like it, because this month I did this a little bit differently, and I actually tried out the products before I show you, just so that I can tell you guys what I felt about the products and if I recommend them and all that sort of thing. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. Also, I do have a coupon code if you want to receive $10 off your first box. I will put my coupon code right here. I believe it is just Jenna Rose, so definitely go and check out FabFitFun. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sending me this. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So like I showed you guys before, this is the box. They sometimes come a little bit bigger, sometimes a little bit smaller. It all just depends on the products that they include inside. And then you open here. Oh my goodness, I love the inside of this box. Look at this lid. Like literally me. I love plants. Oh my goodness. And they have like all of the brands kind of sketched inside as well. But if I did not open this already, this usually does come on top. And then you do have the tape there. I have opened it, like I said. So this is kind of their FabFitFun newspaper. It tells you a bunch of things about different people that they're working with this month. And it does, on the very first page, have all of the items and how much they retail for, which all of these things, I'm always so surprised at how much they cost, because you get some very expensive things in here. That's expensive. If you watch Kathleen Lights and love her as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I've plopped that down on the floor just so that I can see the prices. So if you do see me looking down here, that is because all the prices are down there. But we are going to open this up here. The first thing, which I'm actually really excited about, if you do watch my vlogs, you guys know that I love trying different meal subscriptions. I think I've tried 2 so far. I've tried Good Food and Chef's Plate, but this is actually for the oh-so-popular Hellofresh, which I have yet to try. And this is $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes. Okay, so it's like 2 times $25. And I'm really excited to try that out because I've been wanting to try Hellofresh, but I feel like the whole hype and all of the YouTubers talking about it and stuff just kind of turns me off of it, honestly. But I'm going to try it out, and we are going to see how that is. So if you do want to see what I think of Hellofresh, then subscribe, watch my vlogs. But the next thing, I actually brought this to Punta Cana, and I wanted to use it so bad. It is the most gorgeous little clutch, and I believe there were 3 different color options for this, but this color, this was screaming Punta Cana to me, and I wish I used this, guys. But I didn't really have anywhere that I could go to use this. The only fancy thing we did in Punta Cana was go out for dinner, and they weren't actually that fancy, but I just think this will be so amazing to take somewhere. And like I said, there were 2 other color options, but I was really excited that I got this one because orange and yellow, and it's almost black. This color combination is gorgeous. Also, I'm a little bit sick, so I'm really sorry if I sound crazy, but these clutches retailed for $60, so that's expensive. Next thing I picked up here is something that I have been loving. I tried this out for the last 2 weeks, I believe, and this is a moisturizer. This is from Murad, and I don't think I have anything from this brand, but I've heard of it before. But this is their Skin Perfecting Lotion, and it's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin, which I have very blemish-prone skin, and this has been working really, really nicely. It retails for $40. It's a good size, and just the lotion feels so, so nice on your face, and I definitely recommend it. But yeah, loving it. Next thing I'm going to pick out of the box is a fashion item, and I actually brought these to Punta Cana as well, and I didn't actually end up wearing them. I was so sad. I have never been a huge fan of like dangly earrings. I'm actually not even wearing any earrings right now, but if you have watched some of my videos, you will notice I just wear like studs, or sometimes I do wear like larger ones that are supposed to look like fake spacers, which I really like the look of. But I saw these and I'm like, okay, those are really, really cute. They are dangly earrings, but they're very my style. They're very simplistic and chic, and they have that like really trendy, these have been really trendy recently, like little tassel-y earrings. These are from the brand Etika, Los Angeles, California. These retail for $58. Oh my goodness, $58 for these. And also with FabFitFun, you have different choices, so you could choose between a pair of these, which you could get these in black or pink, so I'm really, really happy that they came in black, because your girl is not, you know, a fan of pink. But you could choose between these and a bracelet, and I think I like these better, so I'm really happy that I got these, and I'm really excited to rock these in the future. Next thing I'm going to pick out is something that I was actually really, really taken back by and really surprised about. I saw this originally. This is a palette, which is actually a lip palette, and I've never been a huge fan of lip palettes, just because I feel like it's easier just to, you know, pick a few lipsticks and, you know, get it over with. But this here I think would actually be a really good option for someone that loves wearing bright colored lipsticks and taking them, like, traveling with them. So this is what it looks like here. It's from the brand Beauty-ish, I believe. Sorry for the mirror. But this is the palette here. You get 12 different shades. They are gorgeous. You get some neutrals, some purpley pinks, and then some more reds at the top there. And these are actually so pigmented, guys. I will actually show you one. This one I really liked here. This is the one that I actually wore the other day. And like one swipe here, look at that. Look at that. I'll show you guys another one too. We'll do a nice red, because I actually haven't swatched any of the reds yet. Do one little swipe beside it. Like, wow. They're just so, so pigmented, and I've never had a lip palette like this that was actually good. I've always just experienced really bad things with lip palettes like this, but I think this, again, would be a great option to take traveling. Instead of bringing all your individual lipsticks, just having this in your travel, like, case, travel makeup bag, and that's all you need. So I think that's really, really amazing, and this actually retails for $42, so it's actually not that much of a surprise that these are really good, what is the word? Quality? Why couldn't I think of that? I'm not surprised that these are really good quality, because that's expensive. Next up, I'm actually going to get this out of the way because it is pretty large, but I was so excited. Whoa! A little too excited. I was so excited to see this in the box. If you do not know, you probably will know, but if you do not know, I'm a dancer, and I also go to the gym 3 to 4 times a week, and my muscles do get very sore. So this right here is from the brand Physique 57, and this is a massage roller for serious results and serious relief. Whoa, girl. But you can actually get this in a few different colors. I got in the gray, which I'm really excited about, but you could also receive it in purple, orange, and blue. So this is really nice. Retails for $20? Is that $20? Yeah, $20, and I'm really excited to roll out my muscle with these because, or my muscles, not just my one muscle, multiple muscles need rolling, and I'm really excited to roll them out. Next up, we're going to go in with something that I have tried in the box. Of course, I haven't tried everything in here. Obviously, I tried like the body products, the skin products, and the makeup products. But this right here is a body product, and this is from the brand Kors. I actually really, really like the packaging of this. And this is another thing that I brought to Punta Cana with me, and this is a Guava body butter. And the smell of this, it actually reminds me very much of like a sunscreen scent, but I really like the scent of it. And now that I've used this in Punta Cana, the scent almost gives me like flashbacks to Punta Cana, and I think that's a really good thing to do with body products, and especially fragrances, is buy a new fragrance when you travel somewhere or just a time in your life where you want to remember, and you kind of like, when you use that scent in the future, it'll take you back to those times, and I think that's like the coolest thing ever. So I feel like this will be a good thing for me to have to kind of look back at my amazing trip to Punta Cana, which I'm so sad it's already over. But yes, I definitely recommend this. This was an amazing thing to have in Punta Cana because my skin was peeling and burnt, and just the body butter made it a lot better, and it just smells so good. So, and I almost forgot, but this retails for $24, which is pretty expensive for a body butter, but that's why I get FabFitFun, because I get expensive things that I wouldn't buy normally myself. Next up is something that I don't know if I'm ever going to use, but I'm really stoked because it's from freaking Free People. Like, are you kidding me? But it is a face mask, which I've never actually used, like a sleeping face mask. And I've never actually used one of these before, and I feel like I'm the type of sleeper that, like, I don't know if I could fall asleep with something, like, on my face. I don't know. I get really, like, claustrophobic when I'm trying to sleep, and, like, whenever I go to hotels and stuff, I'm gonna go on a whole tangent, but whenever I go to hotels and they, like, tuck all the sheets in the side, let me know if anyone else feels this way, but, like, I cannot sleep like that. I cannot sleep knowing that if I put my feet somewhere, they can't exit the bed. If you know what I mean. Like, there's no way for me to get out of the bed unless I untuck all the sheets, you know? It's just scary to me. But this here, I don't know why I went off on that tangent, is so stinking cute. It's like a pinky peach color. It has silver and gold stars on it, and it is a collaboration between Free People and, I'm not really sure what this says, Underrated Leather? Okay. And it's actually really comfy. It also, like, almost has gel inside of it, and it almost feels like cooling. It's a face mask. It's cute. I might use it, or I might just use it as like a decorative thing, or like a cute, I don't even know. It's cute. It's cute, and it retails for $40. That's crazy. And you could also get it in blue or white, which I wish I got it in white, but you can't get what you want all the time. Okay, so there are 3 more products. The first one, this one is just something I want to get out of the way because this was like the sponsored thing in the bag. They have one thing each month that they kind of put in that they don't have like any retail price for, and it's just more of a sample of something. So this is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I kind of wish I brought this to Punta Cana with me, because exfoliating is a really good thing when you are, oh, I can actually use it now because I'm peeling more now than I did in Punta Cana, but I feel like this would be really good for me right now, and I'm really excited to use it. Okay, so there are 2 more items in the box. The first thing I'm going to show you guys, the last thing I'm going to show you is actually my favorite thing in the box, so I'm going to show you that last. But this one right here is a nail thing, I believe. It's from the brand Dermelect. I don't know if that was right, but it's Dermelect. But it is in this little box, and I believe it's just like a ridge filler type thing for your nails. Makeover, infused concealer and treatment. Anti-aging ridge filler. Yes, I was correct. But it is this little tiny nail polish bottle, and I actually think it will be really good for me because I usually get acrylics, and they're not the best for your natural nails. So when I get these off, I will desperately need to be working to get my natural nails back to their natural health because they're not cute underneath here, let me just tell you. But this here retails for $18, which is actually decent for a good, like, treatment for your nails, which hopefully it is good because I have yet to try this one, but yeah. And then the last thing for the box, I really like when they include home decor and candles, and this right here is a candle, and it is a gorgeous candle, let me just tell you. I'm so excited. This is from the brand, I believe, Anderson Lily, and it's a #1 Manhattan Beach. So this is the scent, and just wait, guys, you will know why I love this so much. Can we just talk about the packaging? It's very simplistic. Oh, but the smell though, oh my goodness. It is this gorgeous copper container, which you guys know I love, and this retails for $45. $45 candle. This is definitely going in my living room. And the Manhattan Beach scent is so stinking good. It reminds me, it's very clean and crisp, almost like laundry-esque, but it has a little bit of a floral scent to it as well, almost like a floral beach, I guess, which, you know, makes sense. Manhattan Beach. But yes, I'm really excited about this. And this is probably my favorite thing. I just got lipstick on my nail. But I'm really, really excited about this. And it's probably my favorite thing in the box. Anyways, guys, that is everything for the Spring FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And also let me know down below in the comments which product was your favorite. And if you are interested in getting the FabFitFun box, I will link down below everything you guys need to know. My coupon code, the link to FabFitFun will all be down there. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sending this to me, and I am so thankful to be able to be partnered with FabFitFun. So thank you guys for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What is my life right now? Yes, I have many ones.